welcome to Bitesize Piano, and in today's lesson I'm just going to give you a very simple improvisation, composition, technique, idea. If you don't want to learn any Christmassy songs, any specific songs, but you do quite fancy playing something that sounds quite festive and in the holiday spirit on the piano, but you don't want to think too much about it and you just want it to instantly sound good and gratifying, and that would actually make for really good background festive music if you are gathering with family or friends. So I'm just going to show you a really simple idea, and if you can listen to the music in the background now, that's the sort of thing I'm going to be teaching you and going over today. So this is just giving you a couple of ideas and hopefully inspiration, and you can have a play around with it, come up with your own little improvisation or composition that sounds really festive and is your own. Show the like button some love and comment if you are going to use this idea and if you have enjoyed it. So let's go to the piano and I will show you this idea. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a preview of the sort of thing that you could play, and then I'm going to teach you what I'm doing in each hand and now how you could improvise and come up with your own little festive arrangement. So that was very short, and obviously you can make it as long as you want to make it, but just to give you the feel. And I think you'll agree that it sounds quite festive, quite Christmassy. It might sound familiar, might sound like something. So all that you're going to play in the right hand is what you call consecutive sixths. So that means two notes apart. So we're just going to be using all the white keys. So two notes that you're going to play as a chord, so just two notes that are 6 notes apart. So for example, E to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to move up and down the piano, keeping your hand in the same position. Don't lock it, otherwise you'll tense up. I am using the sustain pedal. If I take the sustain pedal off. So first of all, I just want you to get comfortable playing consecutive sixths. So that's just going one note up or one note down. And then you can have a go at skipping a note. And back one. You know, just have a play around. You may even start to find some melodies that you like. You can start to vary the rhythm. Just to give a couple of examples. So once you're fairly comfortable with that, I was only using 3 chords in the left hand. So I guess this would, because we're using all the white keys, this would be in the key of C. Just want to keep it nice and simple. I was just playing not major or minor. I'm going to play what you call 5 chords or 5th chords. So playing 5ths in the left hand over 6ths in the right hand. So I was using a C5, which is just C and G. So the first 5th chord of C major. I was using an F5, which is F and C, and then a G5, which is G and D. So that's playing that bit quite simply, and then you could add the octave on top and do this sort of pattern. So there we have C, G, C, and then I'm just rocking between those. C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G. You could try coming down or up to the next one, so we could try F, C, F, C. You can move the up one to G, D, G. Or you could go just like that. It's an alternative pattern for the left hand. because it's in the key of C, you would, however you chose to end it, it would need to end on some sort of C chord. What you could try doing first is either playing the chords, holding them down in the left hand like this or like this, depending on your hand span. So to give an example, if I just do something quite simple, so I've chosen to start on E and C in the right hand because that's related to the chord of C in the left hand. But you could start on G and E. It's completely up to you how you want to start it. So let's start from G and E. And you can change to F. So again, I'm just showing you short little examples. If I try doing, so there I'm kind of going together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left. Change to F. So really, it's just about playing around with the sound. So using those 3 chords in the left hand and just only playing in consecutive 6ths in the right hand. So it's a very simple idea. You could also try coming up a lot higher as well, you know, varying the octaves that you play at. So I hope you enjoyed that and you gained something from it, and that you'll have a little play around with it, and you could provide some Christmas festive music for your friends or family around Christmas time, and I hope to see you in the next video. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.